I am here at my rental with AAA Resurfacing. This is an inexpensive way to redo your countertops, especially in rentals, right, where money is a big factor in making sure that you get a return on your investment. So follow me. I'm hooking up with my man Richard from AAA Resurfacing, and he is going to redo my countertops for $250. Follow me. Here we can see this old wood look, super outdated, so we're going to be updating them. So instead of replacing with granite or with quartz, we're going to just resurface them. It's a very economical way to make your rental, to make your home, your investment look great. And I'm here with the pro from AAA Resurfacing. This is going to be cool. As you can see, $250 in under an hour. My entire kitchen has been resurfaced. It looks updated, it looks nice and modern, and we are ready for our renters. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon.